And the BEET Bot is like, like a ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot. It's our own industrial AI that we built into the system, and we're really, really excited about it because I think it really is our first way to leap into the next generation of Industry 4.0. With BEET Bot, I can just instead ask for insights. So I'll ask something, fairly straightforward. What was the most common fault message last week? So before, if I really wanted to get a handle on my faults, I would have to send somebody to build this report for me. They would have to crunch a lot of data. Now with BEET Bot, this is all handled on the fly automatically. So it is parsing millions of rows of data. There we go. So now we can see here, I have my fault here, FA700 fault, wrong model glass scanned. So this means something to maintenance, right? So we can take this, we can download this chart, we can print it, we can bring it out of the BEET Bot to then be used and leveraged elsewhere. Now, the whole entire database is accessible by BEET Bot, but BEET Bot's insights are only going to be good if the data itself is good. So as a next step on this journey through the application, I want to show you how we collect our data, because I'm confident once you see how this is done, you can then trust the information. Therefore, you're going to be more likely and encouraged to use the actual insights being provided by the platform.